modified ratatouille with a creamy polenta. Gather your vegetables. For ours, we used a mix of peppers, onion, cauliflower, fresh garlic, celery, and carrots. Chop them all to a reasonable size. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Season the veggies with olive oil, salt, coarse black pepper, and chopped or minced garlic. Make sure to coat them evenly before putting them on a cookie sheet and placing them in the bottom of the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. In a sauté pan, add 2 cups of either crushed or chopped tomatoes. Season with bay leaf, a little bit of water to thin, oregano, and granulated garlic. When your veggies are done cooking, take them out of the oven and add them to the tomato on the stove, reducing the heat to medium. Into 8 cups of salted boiling water, add 2 cups of polenta. Whisk to blend and allow it to thicken for about 10 minutes. Add in 4 tablespoons of butter, a cup of heavy cream, and whisk until blended. Just before it's done, add in a cup of Gruyere cheese. You can also add a cup of grated Parmesan to the veggies if you would like, but it is not necessary. Serve the veggies over the creamy polenta and top with whatever fresh herbs you have. We used both Italian parsley and fresh basil. Enjoy!